In this BDRCloud How-To series video, I will guide you through the process of adding data sources for backup. This involves adding Linux Server and Workstation in the BDRCloud console to include them in backup operations. Once added, these sources can be backed up. To begin with, you need to log in to the BDRCloud console. BDRCloud offers a cloud-based centralized management console, accessible from anywhere. You can enter the URL in your browser and log in to your BDRCloud account by simply entering the username and password. For this, navigate to the Data Source menu and select Servers and Endpoints. If you want to add a Linux host, then on this page, click on Add Host menu and select the Linux option. The default and the recommended method to add the Linux host is through manual agent installation. Click to download the backup agent and make sure to copy it to the target Linux host and install it on each host that you plan to backup. For a how-to video on adding a Linux host using manual agent installation, check out the link in the description box. Once the backup agent installation is complete and the service starts running on the host, the Linux host will be successfully listed as a data source for backup. Once the backup agent installation is complete and the service starts running on the host, the Linux host will be successfully listed as a data source for backup. That's it. Now it's your turn to try it out. Visit our website to start your free trial, and if you need any assistance, contact BDR Support. Thanks for watching.